Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today we will discuss the accidental tourist from Movement book chapter 9 class 9th. First of all, we will know about the author, who is the Bill Bryson. Was born in Des Moines, Iowa in 1951. He settled in England in 1977 and lived in North Yorkshire for almost 2 decades. He now lives in Hanover, New Hampshire. His travel books are The Lost Continent, Neither Here Nor There, Notes from a Small Island, A Walk in the Woods, I'm a Stranger Here Myself, and Bill Bryson in a Sunburnt Country. His books on the English language are Mother Tongue and Made in America. Now, after knowing the author, we will discuss introduction of the chapter. This is a humorous story where the writer talks of the incidences where he acts clumsy. He tries to behave in a sophisticated manner but is unable to do so and ends up spilling drinks, smearing his face with ink and creating a mess on the dining table. Now we will see summary. Bill Bryson was a frequent air traveler. He finds himself always uneasy during his air travels. In this lesson, the author describes some of his experiences during these travels. He says that once he was going to England with his family, he had a carry-on bag with him. The trouble started at the airport when the checking staff asked him to open the bag. He tried hard to open the zip of the bag, but it would not open. He pulled it harder and it broke. All the things in the bag were discharged like a fluttery cascade. The newspaper cuttings, other documents, the tin of pipe tobacco, magazines, passport and coins all spread over an area about the size of a tennis court. Then he describes his another experience. He says that once on an aeroplane he leaned over to tie a shoelace. Just at the moment, someone in the seat ahead of him threw his seat back into full recline and found himself pinned helplessly in the crash point position. It was only by the clawing the leg of the man sitting next to him that he managed to get himself freed. On another occasion, he knocked a soft drink onto the lap of a lady. He repeated this mischief many times, but it was not his worst experience on the aeroplane. He says that his worst experience took place on a plane flight. He says that he was writing something in a notebook. Life fell into conversation with an attractive young lady in the next seat. He was sucking his pen on one of the ends. After 20 minutes, when he went to lavatory, he discovered that the pen had leaked and that his mouth, chin, tongue, teeth and gums were now navy blue and would remain so for several days. Despite being a frequent flyer, he never got any air card. He says that he used to fly 100,000 miles a year, but due to his carelessness or some other reasons, he could get no air card. So this was the summary of the chapter. I hope you like it and you understand it well. So keep trying and keep learning. Till then, take care.